Hey, you. Yeah, yeah. Did you sub? Did you click sub? Bruh. Click that sub, bruh. Yo, wait, we're going back to the old school days. Ain't no camera mount, nigga. Arm camera mount. Nigga, I'm the camera mount, nigga. Ah, this looks terrible, whatever. Yeah, we here, gang, hungry as fuck. About to go get me some food. Obviously, you can see it's Canada's winter life already. Like, holy shit. So, the M3's parked up. M3's gonna be parked up. I filled up the gas the other day. And, put some fuel stabilizer, so we're good to go. I just probably just gotta overinflate the tires, put them to like around 50, probably 50 flat, and should be good to go. Fuck, 4 or 5 months, not bad. I'm still debating if I'm gonna unplug the battery or not. I got a tender. I don't really believe in that shit, man, because I've had cars stored for a while, like especially BMWs, the older ones. I can't speak for the new ones, but you know, the batteries are pretty big for the amount of electronics that are in the car, so it's not much to tweak, you know? So I'm just gonna leave it in there. See what Whine. Basically, the only outside food that I eat, like I try to go for the least greasiest, least like fast foodiest shit, you know what I mean? So basically I only eat naked burritos, or burrito bowls, however you want to call them. In Canada, specifically Toronto, probably in other places in Canada, like around Ontario somewhere. I think I see one in Montreal. Anyways, we got burrito boys out here. So y'all Americans got Chipotle and shit. Just like Chipotle is fucking the McDonald's of like taco food. Like I would never ever buy a taco. I would never buy anything but a bowl from fucking Chipotle. Like tweet. But burrito boys, like, their bowls are ridiculous. Type delicious, big type delicious. But their burritos, holy, you can't fuck with a burrito boys burrito. That's all I'm saying. I haven't had their tacos. I don't think I'm going to. I try to only eat tacos from like authentic Mexican places where like you literally have to speak like broken English to like order. But like, oye mami, que lo que? Where you like, uno order chicken tinga, some shit like that, you know? You just gotta like bust out the half Spanish and they're like, oh yeah, chicken tinga, uno order. It's like, tweet. So that's where I like to eat my tacos at. Shit. Another place I'll fuck with is Wilbur, downtown Toronto. Cause they're like the only place that's like legit tacos, even though it's run by white people. Legit tacos is like hard shells. I'm about to do something naughty as fuck. Bro, you gotta turn on your caution shit, bro. I don't understand these trucker men. I think they run off the road. They run off the road. They go, yeah, fox. Boy, I'm hungry as fuck. I've been on that my Mike Tyson diet, 1 meal a day type. So a nigga just hungry in the morning type. But like that's better for me because shit. Quarantine hit a nigga belly hard as fuck. I used to be so consistent with the workouts. I used to have a gym, like literally in the upstairs office of my workplace. So like fuck literally every other day. Type every day, every 2 days, I'm in there. But been slacking lately, man. Fuck, cause like, ain't nobody trying to pull up to no gyms and wear a mask and shit. Like, they're crazy. So, just here. One of my boys was recommending me I should get like a little, an in-car mount, maybe? Like, where I post it up on the side, like all these regular ass YouTubers do. Everybody puts the same view there. Or like just get somebody to film me, but you know me, I'm a lone wolf type falcon out here, you know? I hunt alone, so I don't know about having nobody to come around with me when I'm trying to do my shit, cause like when I hoon and stuff, like it's type spontaneous. It's not like I go out dedicating my time to go hoon and shit. It's like, yo, this is a perfect place every time, you know? So out here the cops are strict as hell. You can't just fucking be at a spot and just like tear up the shit for like 20 minutes filming. Yeah, pick and choose, no go over there. Yeah, I'm about to shift these gears, get my motherfucking food eyes.
Later.
I ain't trying to be in the shot. Bitch, I ain't in the shot. I ain't in the shot. Yo. What up? So we're definitely not filming another episode in the same clothes again. Definitely not. Fucking creamy. Yeah, tutus. It's about to rain tomorrow. Something like all day type, and then it's gonna snow the next day. So I'm gonna get no driving in. So I'm gonna get no driving right now. Damn, these rich people already put up their lights. So yeah, sometimes I like to. I wonder if y'all can see this. Come out here. Damn, that's just nice as fuck, boy. Come out to these rich folk area and they have they basically pay like contractors, professional contractors and whatnot to put up nice ass Christmas lights, and like they just like compete with each other. It's hilarious. Fucking gear in my hand now. Just hitting on little twisties. Bored as fuck. Sounds great. I love the stock exhaust is fine, yo. I really don't need it to be louder than that. My M3's already fucking loud enough. Like, I guess I'm turning into an old man already where I don't want fucking bunch of loud cars, but trust me, I've had loud cars, man. Straight pipe 4 bangers, straight pipe 6 bangers. Huge names it. This thing's a fucking screamer now. Like the Rev motor. I never had a regular EE or whatever. Let me just stop talking about that. Enjoy the sound. Trips me out. It feels wonky sometimes. They say it's best to drive these things at 80%. Never go full R-tard. Never go full R-word. But yeah, I think it just needs it probably just needs like decent suspension, like maybe springs. I'm debating about coilovers because, man, with coilovers you just typically set it to the height and you never change it. So like, fuck, just get a decent set of springs and struts. Again, my vehicles are all detuned to have 100 horsepower. So even my y'all hating ass goofy ass man. But yeah, definitely this is not like I want to drive someone else's G that I don't suspect was crashed, so I can see how they're supposed to feel. Brakes feel horrible. They look relatively maybe I hope it's just the wheel, cause it's bendy bent or whatever. But like definitely from braking from high speeds, it's just like blah 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 blah, like it tweaks. Especially compared to my M, compared to my E39, E30. Oh yeah, my E36 too. But yeah, man, shit. Like, maybe it's this particular car. Maybe it's just, you know, I'm used to BMWs and smoothness and whatnot. But yeah, it's hilarious. But that being said, it fucking. It sounds glorious, I'd say that. It sounds really good. I don't know if people want to fuck with the exhaust. Albeit this is a later model, I'm wondering if they changed anything with the exhaust setup. But an intake and the stock exhaust, pretty good, man. But definitely like, so it's a night and day difference between my M3. Like, this is definitely quick, right? But like, if this is 300 horsepower and my like M3 is 300, well, I don't know. Like, that's why I know my M3 is a legit, I'm gonna say 360 crank plus, or just 360 crank, around there, you know? Like, it's definitely a lot more than stock. Not a lot more, but it's a decent amount more than stock. And like, shit, I don't know what I'm saying, but maybe it's just the weight. Like, power to weight ratio is just so good on the M3, like so well balanced. Like, even though it has 300 horsepower, almost 300 torque, it's a big boy, it's a piggy. So, what I do appreciate is being able to be in third and have torque to exit forward. Allegedly be out 200K easily, like easily. That was allegedly was it? That was allegedly 160 space travel kilometers. But yeah, it sounds dramatic, it's dope. Definitely gives you that sensation of speed. When you look down on motherfuckers like, yeah. That's a little, my little cruise eyes. Now I'm about to head back. And trying to figure out what the fuck that smell is. Ew.
In the jungle, it gets real, nigga. This ain't for you, nigga. Trap, yeah, we posted by the store. Yeah, them packs, nip it, then we get it. Go chase her back, yeah, that's all a nigga